Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of keyboard Bluetooth adapters, and we've found what we believe is the best one out there. This device promises to revolutionize how you connect your keyboard to your computer, offering seamless Bluetooth connectivity. Let's get into the details. The Bluetooth keyboard adapter we're reviewing today is designed to make your life easier. Whether you're using a Windows PC or a Mac, this adapter supports both operating systems, ensuring compatibility across various devices. It's a compact and versatile gadget that enables wireless connectivity for your keyboard, eliminating the need for messy cables and offering freedom of movement. First off, let's talk about the design. It's sleek and ergonomic, blending seamlessly with your workspace. The adapter supports both USB and Bluetooth connectivity options, providing flexibility depending on your preference. Whether you prefer the reliability of a wired connection or the convenience of wireless, this adapter has you covered. In terms of specifications, it supports the latest Bluetooth standards, ensuring fast and stable connections. It's easy to set up, with plug-and-play functionality on Windows 10 and 11, as well as macOS environments. No more hassles with drivers or complex installation processes. Simply plug it in and start typing wirelessly. Now, let's talk performance. During our testing, we found that the adapter maintains a strong connection. Even at distances of up to 30 feet, which is ideal for larger workspaces or living rooms. It's designed to minimize latency, providing a responsive typing experience that's on par with a direct USB connection. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a Bluetooth keyboard adapter that delivers on both performance and reliability, look no further. This product not only meets but exceeds expectations, making it a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their workspace or gaming setup. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.